right, special thanks to IBFUN. They've sent us another weekender bag to unbox and show you. Nice, nice. That's it for the box. Oh, and I see like cheetah print. Wow, very nice. Let's open it up real quick, and then I'll have my wife show the rest of it. Wow, got zippers down in here. So pocket there. Got an extra, whoa, with this one and this one. Both labeled IBFUN. Straps. And even some pockets over here to slide stuff into. Zipper in the front as well. And IBFUN logo on this side. So I'll have the wife model this one too. That looks good on you.
Thank you, I agree. Kind of looks fancy, feels fancy too.
It has like leopard print.
Yeah.
It looks like it has a lot of room in it.
Yeah, a whole weekender bag, you know, whenever I get away with the ladies. And go to the vineyard and have some fun. Yeah, plenty of room. And with the shoulder straps, you can carry it easier than this.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. I like.
Nice. Well, thank you for demonstrating it, my queen.
Well, you're welcome.
Thanks again to IBFUN. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.